Stay tuned guys, we made a lot of profit and we might have a little surprise giveaway for you guys at the end, so stay tuned and make sure you are quick. What is up guys, have we got a video for you today? That's right, another episode from £1,000 to £10,000 using all the information within the KaiKicks Apprentice group. We've been absolutely killing it recently. Let's give you a quick little recap of the previous episodes if you have not seen them already. But we've been absolutely killing this challenge, already a couple £1,000 profit. Let me give you a quick rundown. For £310 and we also sold another pair for £330 on Atmospheres. Off the top of my head guys, I think they retailed for £140 or £155. I cannot remember the top of my head. However, we did get them for retail and this was a dead size. It was going to be hard to sell. However, we managed to sell these for £210. Again, made a total of £1,371. But as you can see guys right here, we've been getting some good stock in. We've been selling a lot as well. So sit back tight, because we have made a lot of profit in this episode. But first of all, it's sunny outside and let's get ourselves outside. Alright guys, we are back in the crib. We are ready to go through all of the sales that we've got. It's quite a long list, so I'll be as quick as possible. Not only am I going to show you every single item I've sold, I'm also going to show you every single call that we did within the group so you know it's from the group. And as I said in my previous videos, I'm done about promoting and talking about the group. I'm going to simply show success of the group. And if you want to join it, again, obviously top link down in the description below. However, it's your choice. More information will all be on the website. Right, first up, we are getting straight into a brick flip that we got, and this is the Air Max Marinas. Now, I absolutely feasted on this release. I'm going to be honest, this was a brick flip posted within the group, and they just kept restocking and kept selling on eBay for so much profit. We averaged £20 a pair on these. As quick as we were getting them in, we were getting these outsold for at least £20 profit a pair. So there's £187 profit secured. Not only that, members within the group will also be able to secure, if you bought 5 pairs on a certain website, which I won't name right now, you could get a £100 free voucher as well for the site if you bought multiple pairs of these, which I did. So I got £187 profit, but I've also got £100 free gift voucher that came along with it that I can spend on that site as well. So in my terms, that's £287 profit. However, what I will do guys is I will not add that to the list. We'll only add the 187 to make it fair before you all moan at me. But yeah, an absolute class brick flip right here, guys. Air Max Marina. Obviously, the time's gone now by the time you're watching this to get these pairs. You've already missed your time. All the members feasted on this, but yeah, great little pair to pick up. Next up, we did have a pair of Polaroids. Now, unfortunately, I've already shipped these off. However, we bought these for a whopping £115, sold them for £165, but after fees, we received a £41.50 profit. I'm not going to talk too much more about that one. We did have a pair of the Nike Blazer lows that did release, and guys, I'm not going to lie, a lot of people said this was a brookie shoe. However, I managed to pick up 2 pairs. I could have got a lot more, but I didn't really want to risk it since of all the talk about it. We managed to pick up 2 pairs and sold them the day we got the confirmation to get these. We sold them that day as well. So we really maximized our profit margins. Now, we have sold 1 pair of these. These were £123 a pop. And we sold these for £166. We made £41 after fees, which is pure profit. Next up, we did have a pair of the Dunk Clear Swoosh. Again, a lot of people slept on this release. I did not, because I knew I could make good profit on it. Us and members did fees. This was a GS pair that we only bought for £60 and sold it for £122 as well. After fees, we made £59 profit. Again, good profit made on a pair that people didn't think there was profit to be made. This is an interruption to the video where we show you a members success post within the group. I've been cooking, members have been cooking, all in a group where I run to teach you guys how to start reselling in 3 different tiers. There'll be all the information and features on my website, which will be top linked down in the description below if you guys would like to join. However, this is a community made for everyone. Tier 1, maybe you're a beginner, you want to get into sneakers. Tier 2, we give you all the monitors, random resale, PS5s. And Tier 3, we give you everything you need to know, even with NFTs, crypto, one-on-one calls, backdoor, everything you need. But I'm not going to talk about it too much, guys. If you're interested in joining, top link down in the description below. Our success speaks for itself. Let's get back to our profits. Now, here is a shoe you wouldn't think you could get a lot of profit on. These are the Foam Runner Vermilions. Now, if I was to put these against these, you could quite noticeably tell that this is a size 3 kid size. Obviously, this means the retail was cheaper at only £55. And I just sold this size 3 Yeezy Vermilion foam runners for £130. That's right, a kid's shoe for £130. I only bought these for £55. And the best part about it, I still have one more pair that I still have not sold. Next up, another throwback to an absolutely insane brick flip we provided for the group, and this was the Yeezy 700 MN VNs. Now, if you watched last episode, I'll pop up a flashback, but we did sell one of these pairs at Crep City for some very, very nice profit for £180. We only bought it for £117. So we made like a good £60 profit on that pairs. However, we still had some pairs left, so I stuck these up on Elias, I stuck these up on eBay, and we sold 2 pairs for £196, and we only bought these for £117. When we called this for a group, they were in stock. You could have bought as many as you wanted. I bought 8 pairs, and I'm averaging an £80 return on profit on every single pair that I had. That's over like £600 profit just in that one drop that was an in-stock product. We sold these for £196, creating a £79 net profit for 2 pairs, so this would equal £158 profit to add to the counter. We did stop the brick flip series of £1,000 because obviously we've overseeded that so we're just going to do it till £10,000 now basically. These Jordan 1 Low Gym Reds. Now, I actually got people calling these bricks and people saying I'm going to lose money on these and all this crap. However, guys, again, we've profited on these. People who are saying sneaker reselling is dead is literally beyond stupid. I'm making the most I've ever made from sneaker reselling recently. Just check my previous videos. Every single video we're dropping, we're making £500, £1,000, £200 on every single episode we release. But yeah, bought these for £115, sold these for £132. That is a £17 profit to add to the counter. And the final big boom to round off today's items sold. We are not done yet though. Where are my OGs at, and who remembers the graphics card we copped in the first episode of the £1,000 to £10,000 profit? We got this with our tier 2 monitors on a random resale in our group for £370. This is the 3060 Ti Founders Edition. We held on to it for a bit longer because everyone was flooding the market with these, so we thought, you know what, we'll hold on to this, get the paper hands out of the market, and we'll be able to make a bit more money. We did exactly that, guys, and we sold this for £700 after fees on eBay. eBay were running 80% off seller fees, and I thought this is the time to post this up, and we sold it for £700, which is an overall £330 profit just on a graphics card. In today's episode of flipping £1,000 to £10,000 profit from the KaiKicks Apprentice group, we made a profit of £908. This is literally in the last couple weeks. We are absolutely killing it for profit, guys, and we're making this 10 grand in no time. We're going to drop a giveaway on Instagram, guys. All you need to do is visit the KaiKicks Apprentice Instagram, like the photo, drop a follow to the page, and comment why you should be picked to win a free tier 3 monthly subscription to get your chance to join the group for free. Apart from that, guys, I really do hope you have enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, drop a subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about this style of video. And top link down in the description below if you guys want to get involved with the group, start making your own business, start making money, and let's get that profit going. Apart from that, it's been KaiKicks. Good luck in all your releases, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.